You'll be right when you're not sexy about fluffy tops.
You do realize you're applying for an entry-level sales position.
Oh, come on.
Oh yeah, no, that sounds great.
Okay.
Warning, if you get turned on by any of the pictures in this video, then there is probably something wrong with you. But that says a lot about me because I got turned on by all of them. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? So today I bring you pictures of people trying to be sexy but failing miserably. So let's get right into it and try not to get turned on. So first we'll start with this woman covered in marshmallow cream. I don't know, marshmallow cream doesn't really do it for me. I look at this picture and I'm just like, what a sticky mess that someone's gonna have to clean up later. And they're doing it in their nice clean kitchen. Maybe this would turn me on if she was in between 2 graham crackers with some chocolate. I'm actually just really worried that she's gonna slip and fall off that counter. Get a better grip. Here's some weird beachwear. What is that, a chastity belt? I think she might have a very overprotective father. Look at that thing. It's got like 6 locks on it. By the time you get that thing off, you're not going to be in the mood anymore. I have a hard enough time unhooking a bra. Fuck that thing. Here's a guy laying on his bed trying to look sexy. If you love bananas, then this is the man for you. It looks like he's trying to seduce a monkey. Here's another guy trying to seduce you, except he went the cheapest route possible. He's like, hey baby, why don't you come here? We'll drink this $10 box of wine, and then we'll get nice and toasty next to my fake fireplace on my laptop, and then later I'll play hot cross buns for you on my recorder. Something tells me that rug he's on is not real firm. Here's a guy that's trying to look cool with his machine gun, but something just isn't right. What's with the vacuum? He's like, yeah, look at me, I'm a badass with my machine gun. I'm gonna shoot you, then later I'm gonna clean my mom's house. Here's some sexy tire licking. Why? Well, that's one way you can clean a tractor. Here's a girl that I'm pretty sure is drunk. She fucking nailed that exit. I think that's what we call a face plant. Well, at least her friends are worried for her. Now here's a girl wearing some short shorts. I'm not sure if they're supposed to be short shorts, but they look like short shorts on her. Now there's nothing wrong with being overweight, but you have to wear clothing that fits you. Those shorts from high school just aren't doing it anymore. Shortly after this picture was taken, that woman took one more step, and her shorts snapped off, flew at that man, and knocked his baby out of his hands. It was catastrophic. Here's a cracked out gas pimp. See, this is why I only ever go to self-service gas stations, because those full-service guys are creepy. Fill up your tank for you? Here's an old lady dressed up like a poodle. Now, see, that's not nice. You should not play tricks on your senile grandparents. Oh, no, it looks good, Grandma. It looks good. Okay. I trust you, grandson. I feel like I'm 20 again. You know what, though? This one's actually arousing me a little bit. I need to go.
What, Fluffy?
So thanks for watching my video. If you enjoy my comedy, then please subscribe to my channel. Click on that button. And if you really enjoyed this video and you want to support it, then just click on that like button. Leave a comment down below. Do all that good stuff. And I will see you guys again really soon with lots more comedy.
Oh my God.